Hi guys, this is Iman Sheikh Ansari, and in this video I will cover a new Google Bard feature which is integrating Google Lens to Google Bard. As you could see here, we have an icon for uploading image. I click on upload and I brought up some samples which somehow renamed the file to 12345 in order to not to get the content from at least the name of the image. And let's from some typical example of Google Lens. As you could see, the resolutions of images are pretty low. So let's upload this image, and with typical Google Lens task, can you describe following image, maybe? And as I expect from Google Lens, it's start writing as Dancing House, it's from Prague, it's from Gary, it's exactly a Dancing House in Prague by Frank Gehry, and that's great. By the way, they added a new feature here that you could modify the response. For example, if I want it shorter, it gave me very concise result on this image. Yeah, that's it. So let's start with another file. Here it is. It's a home decoration, and let's do some more complicated but AI-based tests. Like I'm running an online store for home decoration objects. Can you tell what are decorative objects? Oh, sorry. Unfortunately, my last PC, my main PC, during this heat wave completely get broken, and I'm recording this video with my laptop. And can you tell what are decorative objects that has been used in this image with image references and SEO content? A little bit more complex task to start recognizing object in an image, tell us what are those objects, and do some SEO task. Okay, you can do it. So let's click on regenerate draft. Sometimes it works when you click on regenerate draft. Oh, there's lots of misspelling in the context too. Okay, the couch from the Amazon, and coffee tables and lamp. It's not completely matching the image, for example, the shading lamp, but overall it's great. Okay, not bad. Let's go for a task that I really like, and that's uploading a chart. To be more specific, I upload this chart. Oh, let's go back to Google Bard. Here is the chart. It's a Bitcoin chart right now, and as you see, I cropped the name of the platform, and just price and time. So can you please describe following image, maybe? Oops. I'm not used to this keyboard. Okay, here is the response, the closing price, volume, and okay, pretty much good. And also you could check the different draft, like the draft 2 and the third draft. So based on above image, suggest me entry position, maybe stop loss, and take profit price to me as a swing trader. You could easily do any scientific chart. I use some, I don't know, price chart from Bitcoin. Here you see it missed the image. Let's put it, let's upload image again, and here it is. Also do technical analysis if you could. To be honest, I usually rather to start my prompt with high bars. Oh, I said based on above image, but I think it would be fine. So we should wait at least for the moments. Okay, the stock has resistance level. It's not what I expect from this. No, not that much great. I get much more better result. Just let's upload and do our base prompt. Based on an image, suggest me entry position, price, stop loss price, and take profit as a swing trader. I think that's fair enough if it tells. It has no context of what this asset is, just an image of a price. Okay, entry, stop loss, and take profit, which is pretty much decent for our picture. Let me open up picture again. Here is, as you can see, it's just some noise, but what it suggests about the entry price right now, the stop loss at OK31 is a little bit high, but that's good. So let's go for some other task that we could do with Bing, which is more related to the public. I put on a makeup picture. I want to know what product, let me correct, what product has been used in this image. No context whatsoever, that is eye makeup, anything. I just want to know what are the products that has been used in this image. What I expect, okay. So you could see clearly here that it suggests some palettes and some shimmers, shades, and etc. like this, but I'm not familiar with them because I don't do makeup. Can you suggest me their reference pictures? Okay, it's Morph, it's Urban Decay, and here it is. What about where to buy them? Now it's opened a whole new different level on how we could integrate with different, I don't know, image software. Okay, great. And let's do one other task. Like, here is a very, very low resolution image of a city, a smart city actually, designed by Zaha Hadid architect. And I want you to describe following image. That's it. It's exactly Zaha Hadid project, the smart city, and even it works with very, very low resolution. You could do different range of tasks, and let's go for one other specific task. And I want to start from my base image. I want to build project like this image. Very vague question. What should I do? You could ask them for DIY project. I want to ask some challenging questions, and because of that, you could do, I don't know, shoes, sandals, anything, and ask them for a team. Okay, find a suitable location, hire a team, obtain necessary permit and approval, raise necessary fund, and build a project. You know, it's great. Totally understand the context of the building and everything related to it. I hope this video was hopeful and you enjoyed. I'm waiting for the integration of Adobe Firefly with Google Bard and to record some new video that talk about them. By the way, they added some cool feature which you could listen to the voices and get great responses over them. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please share, like, and subscribe.